Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start labeling now, pick a representative batch of images and open your chosen tool. Create your class list and upload the first 50 images, then draw bounding boxes for clear examples. Explain why. Early consistent examples set labeling standards and reduce rework. Once done, save 1-2 annotated samples to share with reviewers. Make sure to note edge cases, partial objects, reflections, extreme scales, so you can refine rules before bulk annotation begins. Now scale up, annotate in systematic passes. First, do a quick pass to mark every object. Next, refine boxes to tight fits and correct classes. Use tool shortcuts, keyboard labels, and interpolation for video frames to speed work and explain why. Speed without structure invites error. Make sure to run periodic QA batches, sample 10% of data, and track interannotator agreement. Once done, update the label guide with recurring ambiguities so future annotators follow the same decisions. Finish by exporting and validating your annotation files against the expected schema. Check coordinates, class ID, and normalization. Then run a quick sanity training run or a validator to reveal label noise or skew. If problems appear, retrace to the QA samples, correct the root rule, and reprocess affected images. One key troubleshooting tip: when labels look inconsistent, audit a stratified sample. You'll usually find a rule gap rather than random error, so fix rules, not people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.